Lesson 10, Connecting the Concrete Conveyor. This lesson will guide you on how to connect the concrete belt to the plant and what to be aware of when maintaining the belt. Concrete conveyor. The concrete conveyor moves mixed concrete from the plant to some form of transport. The conveyor is designed to move concrete with a density of 2,400 kilograms per cubic metre on an incline of no more than 17 degrees. Make sure the conveyor legs are supported by firm ground, or place a steel sheet under the legs if the ground is soft to spread the load. Read this page for the assembling information to set up your concrete conveyor. The power supply is different for the widths of available conveyors you can purchase from Fibo. Read the notes on this page for the power supply for your conveyor. Make sure the conveyor runs in the correct direction when you set it up. If the conveyor runs backwards, invert the phases. Emergency stop. Make sure you connect the emergency stop cable. When completed, test the plant to make sure the emergency stop works as it should. Watch the lesson on the emergency stop circuit if you are not sure. Maintenance. Read the notes on this page for the maintenance of the concrete conveyor. Good maintenance will ensure your plant will operate for many, many years. If you need any support, please make contact with us. Thanks for watching.